Hi, I'm Tanya Byrne, and I want to share something super awesome with you.
So I'm going to show you how you take personal videos and make QR codes just like these and insert them in books or documents for your family to scan and view. And you can quite get creative with these. You can do a travel log book, family memories and stories, family tree book. You can do all sorts of neat things with it or add them to recipes. You can get really creative. So let me show you how you get this done. It's pretty easy.
Just want to quickly mention, if you're thinking, Tanya, I don't have time to make these templates, I have them available. I got you covered. They're on my Etsy store. I'll provide the links below. Or I have the book itself. It goes into more detail, and I have that on Amazon, and I'll provide the link as well. Also, I have a checklist. If there's some information that you would like your family to have in more detail, this checklist will walk you through this and give you some ideas what to include in your book. So hopefully you find this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to create your QR code videos, which is pretty cool and it's fun to do. So you're going to go to your Google on your laptop. You're going to go to the top right hand corner where all these little dots are. It looks sort of like a waffle. Click on there and go to Google Drive. Click on Google Drive. Swing over to the left where it says New. Click on New. And we are going to choose File Upload, and we are going to upload our video. So if you uploaded it from your phone, it probably show up in your downloads. Me, it's in my personal file right now, and I am going to find the video I want. Here we go. This is the one I want. I'm going to open it, and it says replace existing file. Well, you won't have that show up. That's just because I have the video already uploaded, but you upload the file. And you're going to notice on the bottom right hand corner here, it's going to say upload complete. You're going to choose the upload video that you want. I'm choosing this one. I'm going to right click on it, and you're going to have these options here. So you're going to go down to share, and below share is copy link. So that's what you want to do. You want to copy the link of the video. And to your left hand side here in the bottom, it's going to show link copied, and that's what you want. So now we're going to open a new browser. Whoops, sorry. Go qrcode.me. So it's goqrcode.me, and that's the site we're going to. It's a free QR code generator. So we are going to use that. So here we are. You underneath the type, you are going to click on the world icon. So click on that. This web address bar shows up. It's not a web address you're putting in. You're just copying and pasting. Well, you already copied, but you're going to paste the link of your video right in here. So I'm just going to right click and paste my link of my video. I'm going to press enter. And in your live preview, here you go. Here's your QR code right here. It's generated already. So that's pretty cool and pretty quick. So the next thing you're going to do is download this, and you're going to save it. And you're going to put it in a Word document, or you are going to place it on Google Drive. And from there, you just print it. So you print it on sticker paper or label paper that you can get in an office supply store like Staples, or you can order it on Amazon and just print it off there and peel it and stick it wherever you want it. So what I do is if I have recipes, I do recipe videos and I stick in my recipe books. If you have a family tree book where you share memories, where your grandpa, grandma, your relatives want to tell stories, you can do a video of them and then place it in the family tree book, which is pretty cool. Great for the grandkids. And or your travel log book. If you have videos of your traveling, you can do the same thing. Do videos of it and create QR codes that you can just scan with your phone. So you can have lots of fun with this and be creative. This is the emergency book that I created for my family that has quite a few detailed templates in here. I'm going to add my QR codes to that. You can do the same. If you don't have the time or energy to make one, you can order it online. I'll just provide the link underneath the video. So there you have it. Now you know how to make QR code videos. I hope you have fun with it. Just a quick disclaimer, do not put anything confidential or private on these QR codes. That's something you wouldn't want anybody else to see. And I hope you have a great day and have lots of fun with it. And don't forget to click the links below if you're interested in the templates, and leave a comment. Let me know what other ideas you have with these QR codes. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.